You need to stop scrolling for a second right now because what I'm about to say will shock you. I have manifested this particular will video will only find those people who need to hear this message today. There is a message waiting for you. You have been checking your phone wondering why haven't they reached out yet, and this reading has a very specific answer for you. Trust me, not just if, but when. And I'm already picking up. For some of you, the wait is almost over. Page of Cups. Now, if you may have seen my yesterday's video, this is where I ended. And while right now, this is the timeline video that I'm gonna do today. So the wait is almost over. The apology is about to come. The message is about to come. The Ace of Wands. Namaskar, everyone. My name is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna, the Moon Tarot. So before we begin, I want you to do something very important over here. If you are in a no contact situation, if you are waiting for someone to message you, if you have been literally suffering in silence and literally checking your phone like obsessively, consistently, or something of that sort, not for everyone, but few of you, of course, or if you are confused about where things are going, just like this video right now and comment, I receive communication. I repeat, I receive communication is what you need to comment right now in the comment section. So this helps align your energy with the reading. Sorry, I'm just laughing at myself right now. And I need to say this honestly to you. A lot of people are watching my videos, guys, but not subscribing. Why are you doing this to me? Don't. Please subscribe. Cross watchers, please subscribe. If my readings resonate with you, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel, it really helps the channel grow and reach you better. Come on, guys, that's my motivation as well. Also, YouTube membership is open for early access readings, and if you prefer Hindi, in Hindi language, my second channel, Luna the Moon Tarot Hindi, is there. You can even turn on the auto captions or translations in your language. Okay, if you can't understand Hindi. But yes, every Wednesday and Saturday, I'm gonna upload a long format video on that particular channel, and if I get a good response, definitely I'll start uploading more. For personal readings and white magic candle spell work, all details are in the description box below, Instagram and WhatsApp. Okay, now close your eyes for a second. Take a person's name, take 3 deep breaths, connect to my energies and the energies of these cards by liking this particular video right now if you haven't yet, and commenting and subscribing. The one you are waiting to hear from, let's see. Your current energies, of course, the timeline I did tell you. So this person did walk away. There was a negative phase that was going on, no doubt. Now they are about to reach out anytime. By the end of this particular video, I'm going to tell you by when. But I do see that you are feeling restless. You're trying to move on, but something keeps pulling you back, is what I see. And you check your phone more than usual. Even when you distract yourself, their thought comes back suddenly, is what I see. And the hardest part over here is not knowing when, because uncertainty, you are dwelling in some sort of uncertainty here, and uncertainty is more painful than silence. And some of you are trying to act really strong here, but deep down you still want that message to come in, that one notification to come in, that one name lighting up your screen. Each time your phone rings, a message comes, you run towards it, like as if it's It's that one that I've been waiting for. What I see, this is very clear right now. Okay, this is very clear because I am seeing incoming communication energy very strongly. This is not stuck anymore at all. Okay, this is not stuck anymore at all. So hype this particular video right now and comment hype because a message is about to come, or if you are in a no contact situation, something is definitely aligning here. And come on guys, this is a karmic exchange because I'm doing this reading for you, so something exchange you have to give me. Again, subscribe to my channel, comment and like and share if possible. In your energy, I feel that this person, okay, in your person's energy, I do see that this person is thinking more about you, a lot more than you even realize, but they are not expressing it. Okay, they are not expressing it. They keep going back and forth in their mind is what I see. Should I message? Will they respond? What if things go wrong again? Third party influence as well. But they really want to get in touch with you, they really want to connect with you. There is hesitation, but there is also longing here, and for many of you, they are typing messages and deleting them. This reading is screaming of communication coming in, not days but few hours. And that's how close this energy is. That's how close this energy is, guys. This is cool. Now, why there is delay? Timing delay is not random because I see the energy is already, it's not building up, it's already builded. There are reasons like few things, ego maybe, which is holding them back, fear of rejection from you, waiting for the right moment, and third party distraction for some over here. And for a few of you, they are testing your energy because when they left, you guys had a proper misunderstanding or a tiff or an argument, or it was just silent. They're testing your energy, conflicted within themselves whether this is right or not to reach out, seeing if you reach out first. They're also checking, they're waiting whether you may even message them or reach out first. They're waiting for that as well. Behind the scenes, you might feel nothing is happening, but energetically a lot is happening, guys. This person is missing you so much. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Sagittarius. They are watching your social media, asking about you indirectly, thinking about past memories. They are going back in the memory lane again and again, you know, and they're also going to the places where you actually spent very nice, good moments together. They want to work on this connection now, and something triggered recently, a memory, a song, a conversation, because now it is getting too much to handle. That brought your energy back strongly here, and it is compelling them to work on this, to approach you. Okay, now if we talk about timing right now, uh because this is what you came for with once you saw the title, right? And I am seeing three timelines here. For few, I see 24 to 48 hours. This is fast moving energy. For few, for another group, I see 7 to 10 days delay due to hesitation. And for another group, I see within 3 to 5 weeks, slower but deeper realization. But this is not going to be like months and months and months. But listen very carefully here, because this also depends on your energy. This depends on your energy too. If you release desperation in your energy, timing speeds up. If you keep chase, if you don't release that desperation. If you release that desperation, if you keep chasing energetically, it will get delayed. Hear this again if you want to. Hear this part again. Go back a few seconds. So if you do not release the desperation, it will speed up. If you do, it will get delayed. Okay? Just wait from a place of knowing. Do not chase, do not energetically get obsessed, because you are not being ignored, you are being aligned right now. You're being aligned right now, and sometimes delay is protection. What's right for you. So if they came earlier, it wouldn't have worked. Trust me. That's what I see in the cards. If they would have come earlier, it wouldn't have worked, because that they may have come because of your hard work, you pleading, chasing, begging, and desperation from through your desperation. So this communication is going to change something here, not necessarily fix everything instantly, but it opens a door for sure. Okay, it opens a door for sure, a conversation, a shift, and for many of you, I see closure or reconnection. Okay, the energies are quite good. I mean, this reading has been yelling communication. Good. I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys. And if this reading resonated with you, like, comment, and subscribe. Just tell me your situation below. Trust me, guys, I read your comments, and that's where I pick up my next day's topic from. For personal readings and spell work, check the description box below. My WhatsApp, my Instagram handle is mentioned there. And remember, this is Luna, the Moon Tarot, reminding you that love always returns where it truly belongs. And the spell work that I'm going to suggest for this particular beautiful reading to boost, to speed up the things for you is either you go for the communication spell, or you go for the 7 days love reconciliation communication spell, or you go for the 7 days love obsession. If you do not have that much budget, you can ask for the budget friendly one day one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave right now, and again, so many of you are watching, not subscribing still. And if you are a cross watcher here, if you're watching this and not subscribing, please subscribe, guys. That's my motivation. This is how my channel grow, and this is what keeps me coming every day and doing a reading for you here. So please subscribe to my channel, please comment, please like. That is a motivation for me to come daily and read cards for you. Okay, so thank you so much for staying till now. I'm gonna see you in the next one, and thank you so much for watching.